guys, my name is Dr. Shaz, the scientist with pizzazz.
And I'm Tim, and we're from Street Science, and we're here today because this year, in 2021, the theme for National Science Week is food, different by design. Now, Sharon, I noticed that you've got a little beverage here with you.
Well, I figured because it was National Science Week, we're talking about food, why don't we kick things off by cracking open a cold one and having a delicious drink.
Oh, very nice. Now, I noticed when I was having a look at your beverage there before, your Coca-Cola, I was having a look at the little ingredients list, and that got me thinking. I was like, what makes the colour of Coke so dark? And I had a look through here and read there is an ingredient called colour 150D.
What is that?
I know, I thought that as well, so I did a little bit of searching online, and I found out that this colour 150D is actually caramel food colouring.
Wait, there's caramel food colouring inside my Coke?
Exactly right. Okay, this
What?
caramel food colouring is what makes it so dark, okay? But we can't really see the darkness at the moment, so let's share it around, share the love.
I guess you can have a little bit of my Coke.
Okay.
We'll try and get it even for you, Tim.
Try and
Have a
get it
bit
even.
in there.
Yeah.
And a nice big cup for me.
Nice big cup for you. Oh, is it? I don't. Oh, I don't know.
Okay,
about
I'll give you a little
right.
bit more.
Give me a little bit more. All right.
How about that? That's pretty even,
So yeah,
right?
we can see how dark it is because of this molecule in there, this caramel food colouring, which is absorbing most of the light. Okay, it's making it nice and dark.
Hang on, so the caramel inside this right now is absorbing the light, so none of the light can be reflected off, which is
Yeah.
why we see it as a black colour.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Wow.
We call that molecule something that absorbs light a chromophore.
Chromophore.
Right.
That's a good word.
Now, I was thinking that we could try and get rid of this chromophore.
Wait.
Change the colour of the Coke.
By drinking it?
No. We're going to change the colour using another household ingredient. Some bleach here.
Bleach. Hang on. We use bleach for toilets. Are we going to put my Coke down the toilet?
Not today. Well, once we've put bleach in it, you probably have to pour it down the sink or down the toilet somewhere. You won't be pouring it down your mouth, that's for sure, Dr. Shaz. Now, the reason we use bleach is because it's really good at discolouring things. So it gets all those dirty things off your toilet. That's what you probably use in your toilet. Okay, now what we're going to try today is we're going to try pouring some of this bleach inside the Coke. We're going to do it as a fair test, and we're going to see how this bleach, how all of these chemicals inside the bleach which contain chlorine can oxidize the chromophore in here.
Whoa, this sounds really high tech,
it sounds
Tim.
pretty high
Let's
tech,
do
doesn't
it.
Let's just do it, hey? All right, let's push and
Child-safe
unscrew it.
containers.
Child safe, got to have it for me especially. All right, let's try it out. So we're going to do it as a fair test. I'm only going to add it to this one so we can compare it to our control here.
I can drink it later.
Yeah, for Dr. Shaz to drink later on.
right.
Here we go. Let's pour it in and see what happens.
What?
It's going clear.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That was instant.
Yeah. So bleach, all those molecules in there, all those chlorine-containing molecules, they're oxidizing the chromophores and making them so they no longer absorb as much light. So it appears a lot more clear. Amazing, isn't it?
That is absolutely incredible.
Yeah. Let's have a close look. It smells a bit funky, doesn't it? It smells a bit like...
It smells like a toilet, Tim.
Disgusting. Now, it's lucky because today we're in a nicely ventilated room. So if you guys are going to try this at home, make sure you do it outside or somewhere that's really well ventilated, because what's actually coming off here as a result of this chemical reaction is some gases that contain chlorine, okay? And we don't want to be breathing too much of that in.
Definitely not.
If you have a little feel of it as well, have a little feel of that.
I want to feel it, Tim. Yeah, so that one's kind of
Feel a
warm.
little bit warmer than the other one.
Whoa, so much warmer than that
Much warmer
one.
than that one. The reason for that is because this reaction also releases heat. We call that an exothermic reaction.
Exothermic reaction.
You can think of
It's
thermo
amazing.
like temperature, and that's exiting. It's releasing that heat.
What? That is absolutely amazing, Tim. To think all of that just came from a can of Coke and a little bit of bleach.
A little bit of bleach. So that's an experiment that you guys can try at home. Just remember to make sure you do it outside or somewhere that's very well ventilated. And just be mindful that it is going to get quite warm, and do not drink.
Definitely
this one.
don't drink it.
Okay.
We'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your National Science Week. Bye.
Bye.